A very good morning to one and all. In lecture number 14, part 1, we are introduced the concept analogous system. To better understanding to this concept, we take numerical based on this system. So, in translation mechanical system, how to convert into electrical system with the help of the by using force voltage method and force current method or analogy. So consider a physical system which is shown below. Draw equivalent system and write the equilibrium equations. Hence, to draw its electrical analogous circuit by using two methods, force voltage analogy method and second one is the force current analogy method. So from this equation we can write down the equilibrium equations, means applied force is equal to sum of this system. So it is consist of spring, friction and their mass. So in function of time, sum of d square x into dt square plus kx into xt plus in terms of the friction which is b into dx into dt. So where dx into dt is nothing but the velocity. So we can write down the taking in Laplace format. So Laplace form f of s m into s square into x of x k into x of s plus b into s into x of s. So here we can write down the taking Laplace form of this equation. So we can take separately x of s. So x of s is equal to m into x square plus k b into s. So this is the equilibrium equation which is taking into Laplace form. Now we want to convert this system into electrical system by using first force analogy, force voltage analogy method. So first we applied force voltage analogy method or simply force voltage method. So if you observe, first is a force. So when applied a force, that times force is converted into voltage. So here we write down the parameters which is to be converted. So force is equal to voltage, mapping is done, then mass converted into inductor, your friction constant that is V is converted into resistance and spring constant that is K is equal to capacitor. So from given equation we can write down the electrical circuit. We can draw the electrical circuit. So this is voltage source and displacement that is converted into current. So first is a mass. So this mass is converted into inductor that is L. Then the spring constant that is to be attached. So according to the previous table which is to be convert the spring constant, according to this is converted into electrical capacitor. So we can write capacitor that is C, and the friction, that is B, is converted into resistance. So we can write down, so this is resistance, and current flowing through this I1 in the form of displacement. So this is an equivalent circuit, okay, for the given physical system. Similarly, this is for the force voltage analogy method. Similarly, we can calculate the force current method. In force current method, the force is converted into electrical signal. So we first write down the equilibrium equation in terms of the quantities which is to be expressed in voltage. So here M is converted into capacitor, and resistance, resistance converter is equal to inductor, force is equal to current, and displacement is equal to voltage. So these things which is to be very important. So we can write down the equations. So force for this physical system, force which is to be mapped into current. So current source. Then we can write down the mass which is to be converted into capacitor. The node is equal to 1. Mass is equivalent to the number of nodes. So mass is mapped into capacitor. Similarly, the spring constant is mapped into inductor, that is LC, and this friction constant, that is B, is mapped into resistance. We can see here the force which is applied to the same direction, so that the voltage across all these three elements are same. Okay, so this is an equation, and we can also write down the equilibrium equation in terms of the time function. So C is equal to dV by dt, 1 upon R V into T, plus 1 upon L is equal to integration Bt into dt. So this equation in terms of the total current flowing through this circuit, this is an equivalent circuit by using force current method for the given physical system. We can convert into Laplace transform. I of s is equal to C into S into V of s plus 1 upon R into V of s plus 1 upon L s into V of s. So this is taking a Laplace transform. Now we take Vs of s common, so s into C 1 upon R plus 1 upon S into L to V of S. So this is the equation, equilibrium equation for the given. And see here, in force analogy the quantities are same displacement, so the current flowing through the same. So here current flowing through the circuit is same. Okay, and when we applied force current method, that time voltage across this element is constant, voltage constant. Here current is same when we apply in displacement in same direction, and force will be applied in same direction in force current analogy. That time force is constant and the voltage is equivalent to this. So we can stop here. We can see more understanding in next lecture. So we can stop here. Thank you.